Good morning to Dr. Wan. My name is Konnie. My ID metric is 2021590433. Okay, today I want to present about planning standard consideration and requirement. Planning standards are a set of guidelines that developer must follow in order to build a specific location. Any development project managed by the authorities must adhere to planning standard. This project will be displayed in a mixed development with a mix of residential and commercial users. The development of the site will be divided into two areas, namely the mixed development or the plain area and open space, which is not the plain area. Next is we go to plain area. So according to guidelines and standard in the Selangor Planning Manual, the planned area for the proposed project should not exceed 60% of the total land area. So here we can see how we calculate the allowable planned area. So first of all is total land area. 9.51 acre. We multiply with 4,356. So the total the land area is 4,255.6 square feet. So how we calculate the planned area is we put the 60% of the total land area. We multiply with 9.51 acre, so we get the total all of the total is 5.71 acre, or in square feet is 24,872,727.6 square feet. So according to the calculation above, this total of the planned area of 9.51 acre can be proposed for the development. So in this project, it has been decided to propose 60% for the planned area and 40% for open space. So here we can see the pictures about the type of building. First of all, is single story house. The location is, we choose three locations, corner lot, end lot, and intermediate lot. So this is the dimensions of the land area. For corner lot is 222 multiplied with 65, and end lot is 20 multiplied with 65, and the intermediate lot is 220 multiplied with 65. The unit, all of this unit is 10, 10, and 10 for corner lot, end lot for 10, and 80 unit for intermediate lot. So the total unit is 10, and the percentage of this unit is 41%. Next is a double-story shop house. We choose the two locations, that is end lot and intermediate lot. The dimension of end lot is 18 multiplied with 65, while the intermediate lot is 18 multiplied with 64. So the unit of the end lot is 4 and 60 for intermediate lot. So we get the total of this all unit is 20. So the percentage of this unit is 8%. The total all of this unit from the percentage that we got is 49%. So next we can see the pictures about the intermediate of lot of single story house. So this is our model for the intermediate lot of single story house. First of all, the dimension per unit feet, 220 multiply with 65. So how we get the floor area per unit is we multiply 220 multiply with 65, so we get the floor area per unit, that is 1300. Then this is the land size, uh, that is 1600 square feet. Then we get the number of unit, uh, that is 20 unit. And how we get the area, all area square feet of this intermediate lot of single story is, we multiply 1200 with the all the total of this unit. We have 80 units, so we multiply the 1300 multiply 80, so we get the total of the area 104,000. So next, we go to end lot of single story house. This is the model of our end lot of single story house. And how we calculate all is this, we calculate the same how we calculate the intermediate lot of single story house. So that we cut the all of the total area is 13,000. So how we calculate the corner lot of single story terrace house is same way as intermediate lot and the end lot. So we cut the total of land of the area is 14,300, and the total for land area is 4,960, and we put the percentage for single story is 41%. So next is just about intermediate lot of double story shop house. So here is the pictures about the our model of intermediate lot of double story shop house. So how we calculate the intermediate lot of double story shop lot is the dimension per unit 25 multiply with 66. So we cut the total of floor area per unit is 1650. So here we go to dimension of building. So ground floor, we get the size of the building per unit is 22 multiply with 68. Then for the floor, the second floor is 25 multiply with 60. So we plus this total of the ground floor and the second floor, so we get the total of land area, that is 3,146 square feet. So the unit of this intermediate lot of the double story shop lot is 16 unit. So less is area, the total is 26,400. Next, this is the last pictures about our model, that is end lot of double story shop lot. So here we can see our shop lot. And then we go to how we calculate. So as the intermediate lot of double story shop lot, we have the same way how we calculate, and we get the all total of the area. So the total of the area is 6,600. Okay, next we go to a second discussion, that is open space area. The planned site total area must include at least 30% green or open space as required by Selangor Manual Guideline and Planning Regulation. About 50% of the land area will be used for open space in this section of this proposed development. So added to the open space will be amenitized, alternatives, and landscaping. The alternative will also offer water supply, a sewage system, and a communication network for the intended building use. In addition to the power substation by Tenaga Nasional Berhad (TNB). Then among the extra facilities, there are parking lot, playground, block road, landscaping, and pedestrian promenades. So we can so here we can see how we calculate the open space area. So first of all is total land area. 9.51 acre multiply with 4,356. So the total of this land area is 4,255.6 square feet. So open space area, we put the 50% 50% of the land area, then we multiply with the total land area, then it's 4,255.6 square feet. So we got the total of the open space area is 20,727.8 square feet. So next is this is the facilities and utilities of the open space area. So first of all is parking lot for commercial parking. Due to the fact that residential parking is included into the layout of their house. This part is reserved for commercial building parking lot alone. So according to the Selangor Stage Plan Standard Rule and Manual, the planned roadside parking lot standard measurement are 2.5 meter by 6 meter. So the series MS 1331 at 1993 code specific 3.3, we multiply with 6.6 meter per parking spot for disabled parking place. So also standardized is the amount of parking spot with one parking space measurement 8 by 16. So or 2.5 meter, we multiply with 5 meter or greater for every 500 square feet for floor space. So the overall number of visitor parking space and motorbike parking space must be thereafter be increased by 2%. This concept for development include handicap parking place. So here we can see the pictures about the planning standard rule and manual of parking lot that we must follow. So next is guard house, plan for gated communities that comply with H318 adhere to development focus principle. So according to the standard, the minimum area to be considered for the creation of a GC plan is 1 hectare. So the maximum area for each GC scheme development with a scheme of 10 hectare. A social impact assessment (SIA) must be prepared in accordance with Section 21A of the Town and Country Planning Act of 1976 before the local planning authority will consider the building of a gated community. H 172. The size of the development area will be standard. So here we can see the pictures about the standard that of guard house that we must to follow. So next is electric substation. The substation is under the control of the Naga National Berhati NB. So according to the Electricity Supply Application Handbook and the Electrical Substation Design Standard Handbook, the apparent electrical substation for the proposed development is a single space. This is the recommendation made in the both of these quite. So here we can see the pictures about the electric substation. Electric substation standard handbook that we must to follow. Use the different of type of permissions. Okay, we go to playground. A playground is necessary for the community in order to maintain a lifestyle that is more agreeable, memorable, and pleasurable for everyone. In accordance with the Selangor State Planning Guidelines and Standard Manual, an area of 0.6 acre must be made available for every 1,000 people who live in a single location, and an area of 1.5 acre will be made available for the development that's being planned. So here we can see the Selangor State Planning Guideline and Standard Manual playground that we must follow. So the last discussion is sewage system. It is recommended by the Recommendation for Sewage Facilities JPPD Peninsular Malaysia 1/99 that the capacity of the sewage tank be determined using the volume of waste that would be produced in 1 month. On a 4-weekly basis leading up to the beginnings of the new filling, the size of the layer to dye is calculated. The typical distance into the liquid is around 300 meters or 984 feet, whereas drying pan attains 450 meters or 1,456 feet into the liquid. In accordance with the criteria for cutting of sewage treatment plant, the project development will fall into classes 1 and 2. The land requirement for classes 1 and 2 will be determined using an estimate for 550 individuals, and the land requirement is 776 plus 7 and 2 or 0.187 acre will be used. So here the pictures about the proposal that outline the minimal requirement for the LPK buffer zone. That's all. Thank you.